WLD. Morning fam, good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you today? We hope you are doing well and enjoying all the festivities. This is part 4 of our Christmas vlog. We are getting ready to bake some gingerbread cookies and some hot chocolate. This is a limited edition because this must only come out during Christmas. Hot chocolate cinnamon rolls, and we're going to drink some hot chocolate with it and we're going to boil some milk and melt our chocolate spoons and make hot chocolate. Yeah, so I'm not for sure if I want to do the cookie dough, sugar cookies, or the gingerbread. Which one do you want to do? Maybe the gingerbread, because she's holding the box and it's just like that's what she wants to do. I put your bell on your head. Okay. Here you go. Zara point to these as what she wants to leave for Santa, and we are going to make some hot chocolate cinnamon rolls in heart shapes. You know, that's our signature heart shaped cinnamon rolls. You ready? You want yours cut out? So I'm going to prep the oven and get started. Here are the hot cocoa cinnamon rolls. We're going to make them to our heart shapes, and I already prepped the oven. Baby Zara's going to sleep. Zara! You want to do one with mommy? Oh my gosh, it's so big. And it smells just like cocoa, you guys. It smells just like cocoa. I might have to put her down. She's going to sleep. But here's our first one. I am going to have to put her to sleep. The rolls are done, and we made some sugar cookies as well. We just made 2 just for Santa, and we have some gingerbread, which is gingerbread kids, because this is not a man. So we're gonna decorate them, huh? You wanna decorate? I'm gonna decorate on her tray with her so we can have fun together. Ooh, it's a cookie. Let's see. Oh. Yeah, cookie. This stuff is hard to cut out the icing pack. Oh, she's eating the cookie. She knows what a cookie is, you guys. She really does. Let's give the gingerbread kid eyes. Yeah. It's not working quite well. There we go. We have some sprinkles, and we're going to make some cupcakes for my neighbor and some family, and put them in this. We have 2 bacon boxes, and then the stickers to close the lid. It says bacon spirits bright. You guys can see that. Oh, how I decorated my first cookie, and Zara done ate her cookie, but it's okay. Do you want to make some eyes? Look, put the icing on the eyes. You want to put the icing on there? Say no, I want to eat. And we made some gingerbread eyes on the gingerbread little kids, and we're gonna put some green and red sparkles, the green ones and the red ones for the girl. And let's get our icing on our cinnamon rolls. Yeah, she's touching the sprinkles. You love the sprinkles? This icing was much more easier. And so this is how it looks, and it's just going to melt on top. And we may put, I don't know, this is too big to put in a box, but yeah, we're going to put 4 cupcakes and gingerbread each, and leave some for Santa. We got to leave some cookies for Santa. She's not trying to leave none for Santa. What you, wait. Wait, you eating a gingerbread kid? It's for Santa. What she said about Santa? It's for Santa. Let's get some red sprinkles for the girl. Yeah, and then the green sprinkles for the boy. Poor Santa ain't gonna have no cookies because she's eating them all. Yeah. So that's it for our Christmas vlog, fam. Like, share, and subscribe if you want to. And have a wonderful holiday. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye. Okay. Here are the snacks we're leaving for Santa, and hopefully we get some good Christmas gifts. We're having a Christmas Eve glow karaoke. Say it on mic.